Hello, you lovely people. I'm Cameron. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. And to the inside of our car, and to me eating a Sonic cheeseburger. If you can't already tell, today's video is a little bit different. It's exactly what I needed after, we could call it writer's creative block, whatever that looks like. I was just feeling really uninspired, really unmotivated, and just very overwhelmed by life stuff that's going on right now. So that's why I took last week off. If you may have noticed, if you're a subscriber, you definitely may have noticed. And if you do not subscribe, please consider doing that now, because we're friends, right? Appreciate it. So the answer to that was getting out of the house. Nick, he writes, he does a podcast, he does a lot of just social media, online stuff. So he's in front of a computer all day. I have been spending a lot of time in front of computers just doing some research, just doing a lot of beauty reading and video ideas and all that kind of stuff. And not feeling like the idea of sitting down at my desk in front of the camera, it just hurt me inside. Like I just couldn't bring myself to do it. It was almost like opposite magnets, you know? Like I literally couldn't even sit my butt down for long enough to even bring myself to have the conversation or to push record and get going. So that was really frustrating because I really enjoy making these videos, and I've really enjoyed, I mean, we've only been doing this a month, you guys. I have 15 videos up, and there's been so much love and support from all of you, and it's crazy and amazing, and it means everything. It means the world, it means the universe, the galaxies, like everything that has existed, will ever exist. It means all of that to me. And it was just kind of sucky that I'm just feeling so out of it and so unconnected already so soon. But you know, that's life, and I think it's really important to pay attention to kind of where you are, and especially the more in tune I try to get with myself and what I feel like I need, and what I feel in control of. I just knew that I needed to take the break and listen to the crazy hesitation that I had. So the answer to that was just to get out of the house and to go on a drive. It's a beautiful day. It's a Sunday, so you'll be seeing this on Monday, tomorrow, today, Memorial Day. Hello, happy Memorial Day. Thankful to the people we're memorializing. Which was really awesome and also really crazy at the same time. You know, we have our masks. We haven't been wearing them in the car, but anytime we're outside of the car, we wear our masks. But it's crazy how crazy I feel, because we've drove through Laguna Beach, San Diego, kind of, you know, Southern California. And maybe it's the holiday weekend, maybe it's the like slightly lifted orders, like stay-at-home orders, but there have been so many people out and about, and I just feel like the crotchety old lady who's like, put a mask on. So if you're curious, my feelings on all of these things, that's how I feel. So it's just a weird time being outside and seeing people be outside and like live their lives like we all once did. And I'm slightly jealous, but also like, you will not catch me at a beach anytime soon. It just doesn't feel right to me just yet. So we like enjoying that through the inside windows of our car. And the Sonic, if you're curious, is not part of our regular diet, but it doesn't matter because we do not diet shame. We don't food shame in this house. But we both didn't really eat today because we were kind of on the road and just talking about life and all of these things. And then we just got this crazy like werewolf instinct Sonic idea, because cherry limeade is the nectar of the gods. If you don't know, you should find out. And so we just kind of went ham burger. Sorry, cracked myself up. But anyway, I know this isn't the normal lighting, editing, all of that kind of stuff. So I just wanted to share with you what felt right, and this feels right, just having a very casual conversation with people that I love and care about. And I hope you're all doing well, and I hope that you're able to, whatever that looks like, on a small or large scale, on a daily, weekly, monthly basis, whatever you can do, regardless of what you do, for money, for work, for hobby, for life, just to get a breath of fresh air, and just to kind of allow yourself some time to reset. I know that that can look hard if you're a workaholic. I know that can also be kind of weird if you're averse to work, like some people. But just be honest with yourself and take the breathers that you need. I think they're really helpful, and it only allows us more space and more energy to be positive about the stuff that we care about and to actually be dedicated to that. So just know I'm feeling really good, and I'm excited. I have a lot of really awesome video ideas coming up. I'm so grateful for the suggestions that you guys have already given, and those will be coming out as we go. But I'm having a good time doing this little like vlog style thing. So I hope you're enjoying it. I did my makeup today. I did that TikTok foundation trick where you put your moisturizer, powder, primer, setting spray. I don't know. You do things all out of order. It's a trick that's been around for a long time. Not everyone recommends it, especially on your skin type. Like if you're drier, probably not. But I figured I'd experiment wearing a mask and not wearing a mask all day. And I think it's held up pretty well, but I also just like the foundation and stuff that I use, so I think my foundation would work okay anyway. So that's just a fun fact. I'll give it another like real try and let you know how I feel about it. But that's all I got for today. This burger's getting cold and I need to eat it and enjoy it, and we got a puppy to take home. So I love you all. I hope you're all doing well again, and as always, thank you so much for hanging out with me. It means forever and always to me, and enjoy the little tidbits of the day that I'm about to share, and I'll see you in the next video. Love you so much. Be kind to yourselves. You deserve it.
Hi.
Hey,
She saw her first lizard.
did she eat it?
Nope, it got away.
All right, good for the lizard. No.
She's like, heavy is the head that wears the crown. Am I right, queens?
Exactly. Come here often? Yeah, más o menos.
Más o menos.
Say hello. Or the opposite. Yeah, that's great.